Hey guys, welcome back. If you are facing issue with MS Paint like MS Paint is not opening or MS Paint is not responding, in this video we are going to fix this issue. Let's start with our first method. On your keyboard, press Ctrl key, Shift key and Skip key. Press all the three keys together. So this will open Task Manager like this. Now in the search box, you have to type this mspaint.exe. Type this. If you see MS Paint option, right click on it, then click on End Task. Okay, then cut this window, and after that open MS Paint again and check. In the next method, we are going to repair MS Paint app. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option, click on it. On the left side, click on this option apps. After that, on the right side, click on this option installed apps, click on it. In the search box, type paint, okay, and you will see this option MS Paint. Click on these three dots, then click on this option advanced options, click on it. Now scroll down and you will see this option terminate. Click on this option terminate. After that, click on this repair option, click on repair. So it will take some time. Now try opening MS Paint again and check. If you are still facing the same issue, try resetting MS Paint app. For this, you have to open settings again, go to MS Paint app, scroll down, then click on this option reset, click on reset. So this will take some time. After completing this process, try to open MS Paint again and check. Now move on to the next method. Click on this search box and then type CMD. You will see this kind of option, command prompt. Right click on it and then click on run as administrator, click on it. In this command prompt, you have to type this command. This command will scan and repair system files. So type this command carefully, then press enter, and this will take some time. After completing this command, cut this window and then restart your system. After that, check MS Paint app again. In the next method, open command prompt again. So right click on it, then click on run as administrator. Now you have to type this command. This command will scan and repair the Windows system image issues. So type this command carefully, then press enter. So this command will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. So you have to wait for it. After completing this process, cut this window and then restart your system and check. In the next method, create a new user account, log in with it and check if MS Paint is working. So to create a new user account, first you have to open settings. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option, click on it. On the left side, click on this option accounts, click on it. After that, on the right side, click on this option other users, click on it. Now click on this option add account, click on it. Then click on this option. Then click on this option add a user, click on it. Now create a new user account, log in with it and check if the MS Paint is working. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.